Hey, what's up, YouTube or wherever we are? My name's Lon Kieffer, also known as the Retired Comic, and I'm excited about this video. Um, I mean, I think I know what this channel's all about. Like, I don't care all at the same time, but because I'm just having fun and I'm inviting you along in the journey. But I thought this video was about, an old man returning to his youthful passion and picking something up that he had let go and taking one last ride. And I was going to tell people through humor a healthy understanding of moments others recognize or reject. Just chill, just trust, be true to yourself and enjoy the ride and don't give up on anything. Just keep on going. But I've found by feedback from these recent videos that I'm also talking to younger comics. And I'm going in some directions that they send me. One of them told me I look like Shane Gillis's dad, Phil. I'm like, I don't know who that is, but I posted a video about that, and guess what? It got more attention than any of my other videos. And so just be authentic, have fun, drill down, and quit making excuses. This is a hard ride. Either keep going or quit, but don't make excuses. Be sincere about what you're doing. Be authentic. When I was a young comic, I would, why am I talking so fast? I got all the time in the world. When I was a young comic, I tried to be existential and hip and cool and cussed a lot and it wasn't really me up there. Now I try and be very authentic about my lived experiences and the things I'm going through and the funny things that happen along the way. And just try to be you. People can tell when you're faking it. So, and quit making excuses. I got young comics that say to me, "Oh, Lon, it's easy for you. You already made your money. You don't have any worries. You don't have to worry about whether you're making money or not." I'm like, dude, who are you kidding? I'm in my 60s. I had my career. I raised kids, paid for college, whatever, and deferred this for a long time. I got to make up for lost time. But yeah, don't worry about it. But you, if you're in your 20s, you're not married and you don't have any kids, and you choose to live in your car because you want to tell jokes and you don't want responsibilities, like, we're in the same place, dude. Or dudette, ladies too. I mean, don't make excuses. Just grind and be authentic and try and work at it. So here's the other thing I get. People make excuses. I know this one young comic. He's kind of funny, but his head's not right, in my opinion. He's half black and half white. And he tells me all the time, "Oh, Lon, you're, the old people like you, the white people like you, or blah, blah, blah." He goes, "I can't work those crowds because I'm too black. I can't work the urban crowds," code word for black, "because I'm too white." I'm like, no, dude, you're just not being funny enough. Just be funny. I know another comic that instead of pointing out, I mean, we're all half of something. Like, my father was German and my mother was Don Rickles. It's a joke, right? Make a joke about it. Be funny about it. I know another comic, same thing, half black, half white. All of his jokes are about how he got the best of both worlds, and he's very funny and confident with it. No excuses. As a matter of fact, he thinks it's a little bit of a crutch, but I just think it's him telling his life. While we're talking about crutches, whether you're half black, half white, I don't know how black you got to be able to use the N-word, but I'm not black enough, so I'll just have to keep writing jokes. But they say the two best days in your life are when you're born and when you know why. And I kind of think I know why now with this channel. It's not about telling the elderly people or the people my age to, go out there and live a vital life. I think it's about telling young comics it's going to be okay and keep on grinding, keep on working. But whatever it is, if I'm punching down, it's probably at myself or the people I love. If I'm punching down at you, it's because I love and respect you. Because I wouldn't dare to punch down on somebody that I think is struggling and, like, we don't have a relationship that they understand that I mean well. So, I'm not going to agree with you a lot of the times. I'm not going to be maybe popular with my opinion, but I want the best for you. I want the best for comedy. I want to let humor work. So wherever it is, at a show, in a green room, or at a I can't think of the daggone name. What's the one that starts with an S? It's not a Wawa. It's not a Royal Farms. It's Sheetz. I don't like Sheetz, but some of the comics I'm with like Sheetz. So if it's in a Sheetz, just know I want the best for you. Keep grinding, keep going, let humor work. Thanks for being here. Whew, that was a load.